In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find recently added friends on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Snapchat. Then we need to tap right here to go to our chats, and that's where at the top right hand corner we can easily find this person button with the plus next to it. We need to tap at that button to head over to the next step. Here we need to tap right there at these three dots, and at this pop-up we can easily find recently added by me. If we tap right here, it will show us all the users we have recently added as friends. Basically, guys, if we scroll down or up, we can search for a particular user here, and then if we want to head over to their Snapchat profile, we can just tap on them in that way. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.